Uh, I work for TAAT International LLC, which is part of TAAT Global. We're a company that is based out of the US and in Canada. We operate internationally as well as domestically, and we're a manufacturer of tobacco alternative smoking items such as hemp cigarettes. And yeah, that's what we do. We have a lot of challenges both in manufacturing, accounting, purchasing, among a few other things, and also in sales. A lot of it had to do with keeping track of our numbers and communicating between departments and just having a unified system. So that was our biggest issue. Just across all four of those avenues, working with O2B Solutions has helped us streamline that. It's created a manufacturing process that is tailored to us, which is very difficult because we use both outside manufacturers as well as internal manufacturing to create our product. And the same system runs our sales and our CRM as well as our accounting. So the fact that we can roll everything all together into one program really just streamlines everything. It allows every department to communicate with each other better and keeps us all on track much more up to date and much easier. I would 200% recommend using O2B to our partners as well as anybody else who's looking to create more detailed avenues within being so so open and so easily modifiable. It's great to have a team that knows as much about it as O2B Solutions. They can help you with almost anything.